I have a new video for you guys. I know we've been waiting for this. You've seen me paint all my body kits, and today is the day to install the brand new, well, old, new, newly painted body kit. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. If you're new here, make sure you lightly tap that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So let's get right into it. Guys, it's coming up pretty nicely. I'm not talking much. I'm trying to get this done as soon as possible and just give you guys a good idea of what's going on in here. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you smash that like button. Give me a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the old versus the new body kit. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get notified when I make a new video like this. Without much more talking, let's get right back into it. Okay guys, as you can see, everything is fully taken apart over here. We're ready to move on to the other side to get the same thing done and throw that new body kit on this motorcycle. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so just like that, we have all the fairings off the bike. We're ready to throw on the new fairings. So I'm going to give you guys a quick glance of what it looks like right now and get ready to start throwing on that new fairings. Install the new painted on the fender liner thing. I'm not sure what you call it. That's gonna go on. Alright, now I have all the grommets in. I can mount this in one last time. And make sure it's all fixed. Okay, and just like that, the rear section is done. We're gonna move on forward and get this baby done. like that, the last piece of this elaborate puzzle goes in, and she's all done. She looks excellent. The paint job is fantastic. Couldn't be happier. If you like my videos, give me that like button, smash that subscribe button, drop a comment down below, make sure you turn on that bell so you get notified when I post videos like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.